Every company that we found and the thing they're advertising, the thing that they're delivering to their clients can all be done and delivered with AI end to end. And I want to help you understand. Let's say you're solving a lead gen problem for a business. Well, what do you need? Well, you need ads, you need a website or a funnel. And the next bottleneck that you'll probably face is maybe having an AI setter, which can also be built relatively pretty easy. What's even more important than the fact that you can deliver all of these things with AI is that you can find the truth of what's already working for the top 1% in the niche you want to sell to. Find the ads that's already working infinitely better for a business that's doing 10 times more revenue than your ideal client. Find the funnels that they're currently running. Find the offers that they're currently pushing, and the AI setter is pretty straightforward. You can essentially go into their funnel, see how they run the sales process, and you can essentially train an AI setter to do the same thing for your client. Now, let me show you how we've taken this to the next level and actually automate the whole thing with agents. So we ended up building this agentic system, which takes the truth of a market. So you literally send it to a niche, right? Let's say I want to go into HVAC, or I want to help HVAC companies grow. It will go ahead and find the pain points of the niche. It will go ahead and put together the offer, the solution, the mechanism that they actually need. It will go ahead and pick the right market and avatar based on others who are already seeing great success in the market. It will find competitors and see people who are already advertising, targeting the specific niche that you maybe want to go after, show you their ads. It will break down their funnels, see if they're running ads. And once you know what the competitors are doing, you actually want to go ahead and put together the assets and the research and the truth that you found or that these agents found, and you want to save it. Why is this important? It's so that the number one bottleneck for any agentic platform or LLM is that you always have to constantly be feeding it context about the thing that you're actually wanting to do, the market, who you're selling to, what you actually want to build. But if you had a way to actually take all that data and save it so other agents, when they're working on the offer, on the business, can actually remember everything, then you solve the number one constraint of AI, which is memory and context. After you've gone through saving the truth and the data and the context that you found, it goes ahead and actually finds ads that's currently being run in the specific niche.
If you're an HVAC contractor,
you get a bunch of them, and you also get the content that's getting the attention of your market. Why is all of this valuable? Is so that when you're ready to create content, when you're ready to create ads, you don't have to make up the content. You don't have to make up the ads. You just replicate success. It will go through all of these steps, right? 20, 30 different steps, put together the funnel, put together the landing page, put together the sales presentation, because a lot of businesses don't necessarily know how to actually close. They will also take the data that they found, put it together for you, the pre-call assets, the nurturing assets, so you don't actually have to go build anything. All you have to do is just ship that in the CRM. Everything is scripted for you based on the context and the truth that you found, something you don't have to make up again. From emails to SMS, everything built in one go. And the last step is to start generating leads. So the last steps is simply connect the CRM, connect the GHL if you use GHL, connect the ad account on Meta, connect the pixel, go ahead and create a lead form if you want to run lead form ads, or you go ahead and just launch the campaign if you just want to send straight to the funnel. And the cool thing about all of this is that it will go ahead and fetch all the business assets, all the context that it pulled earlier, create the campaign, create the targeting, create the ad sets, set the budget. Of course, you have to decide on the budget that you want to run with, upload the image, the creatives that was built, activate the campaign. All you have to do now is just approve the campaign, and then it will start spending and start generating leads for whichever offer business that you're working with. The number one goal of this operating system was, can we solve the number one thing that helps businesses make more money, which is, can you help them create content, which is here? Can you help them create funnels so that they can actually convert that attention into appointments? Can you re-engage leads, nurture them, follow up with them, but have the entire infrastructure be in one place so that all agents have all the context on every single business, on every single offer that you're actually working on? And what this does is solves the delivery bottleneck, which is the number one thing that keeps people from making money with AI, which is most people don't necessarily have the skills to be able to solve money problems. So then they go vibe code things that aren't actually needed, or spend time creating solutions and services that aren't actually needed. But if there's one thing that businesses will always need, is more leads, more appointments, and more money. There will never be a time where a business will not pay for someone to help them grow.